Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply Nautica Voyage. For optimal results, always begin with clean, dry skin. Focus on your body's pulse points, such as your wrists, the sides of your neck, and behind your ears. When spraying, hold the bottle about 4 to 6 inches from your skin. This ensures an even and widespread mist, allowing the fresh, aquatic notes to truly blossom. To maximize the impact of Nautica Voyage, consider applying 1 or 2 sprays to your chest. This allows the fragrance to rise naturally throughout the day, creating a pleasant aura. Additionally, a single spray on each bicep can significantly enhance the scent's projection. Remember to avoid spraying directly onto your clothing, as this can sometimes lead to stains or alter the fragrance's true character. For everyday wear, 2 to 4 sprays of Nautica Voyage are typically sufficient to create a noticeable, yet not overpowering presence. If you desire a refresh, consider reapplying after about 4 to 6 hours, especially if you've been active. Always adjust the number of sprays based on the specific occasion and your environment. A more casual setting might require fewer sprays than a social gathering. To further enhance the longevity of Nautica Voyage, moisturize your skin before application. Hydrated skin holds fragrance much longer than dry skin. Consider using an unscented lotion to avoid any conflicting aromas. Also, proper storage is key. Keep your bottle in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight and extreme temperatures. This helps preserve the integrity of the fragrance for a longer period.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.